In this video, we will show you how to make line graph in Google Sheets. And the rule is the same as in the previous video. We have told you must have the correct data and titles, and this is the example of the correct data and titles. And to creating line graph, we need just click this insert chart icon, and you can resize your graph first. Okay, to create a line chart, just select this setup and chart type, select line, and the axis you need to block the data range. And if you have the correct data, it will be very easy, just using above and bottom look like this, and click OK. And the series is between item 1, item 2, and item 3. Just clicking the item 1 here, and item 1 is blue. We will try to set description about this line later, but now click the add series to add the item 2, and don't forget to select this icon. Okay, and the last series about item 3, and after that we can also change this series by clicking customize and choose series. For example, we show the data labels. Okay, and this is called legend. We can select this to bottom if we want. And then how to make it more clearer? Okay, just double click in the legend, and you can also give the title look like this. Now you're done to creating line graph in Google Sheets. Hope this video helpful for you.